Meteorologist Joe Hansel here with a predicting severe weather threats. Midway point on the month of June. Happy Monday morning, June 15th, 2020. We have a lot of heat building in for much of the central portions of the United States. Phoenix, Albuquerque, Dallas, Houston, all into the 90s and low 100s again this afternoon. And kind of your forecast brought to you by the Greek letter Omega. There's an Omega block setting up shop across the lower 48. In fact, it's been here for the last day or two. Temperatures looking ahead, warmer than averages for the west, southern, and eastern portions of the nation. Cold bullseye in the upper Midwest. But with that Omega block, we got a couple of troughs of low pressure. One in the east coast, one in the west. Ridge of high pressure in the central U.S. That trough, out west, that's going to help enhance some cold air. Mountain snow could be heavy, especially Tuesday into Wednesday. Portions of the Rockies of Idaho and western Montana. To the southwest, it's still all about the heat. Denver, Colorado Springs, Phoenix, Tucson, Vegas, all into the 90s and 100s for that Monday. Dry and windy weather will prompt elevated to critical wildfire concerns in some of those areas. So red flag warnings are out again today and likely will continue for similar areas. For your Tuesday. With a ridge of high pressure overhead in the central U.S., that's helping the dry and very hot weather. But a couple of surface fronts will help give some areas of thunderstorms. Two marginal risks on the board. One in Atlanta, damaging winds and large hail possible there with that marginal risk. In areas of the upper Midwest, we'll zoom in there from about Fargo to International Falls, bordering Canada and Minnesota there. Add in a small possibility of a brief spin up of a tornado. Also worth noting, area of low pressure will develop in the western Atlantic. That'll slowly spin into the Carolinas, bringing in some heavy rain near the Charlotte area. We'll keep an eye on that. And of course, towards the middle of the week on Wednesday, some heavy mountain snow as that colder air works into the Pacific Northwest.